Imagine stepping out of a time machine 1 billion years into the future. Would Earth be covered in raging volcanoes, frozen beneath endless ice, or transformed into a lifeless desert world? Would the oceans still exist? Would humanity still exist? Or would we be nothing more than a forgotten chapter in the planet's history? Today, we're traveling far beyond recorded history, into the deep future of Earth. Main points we'll explore. Can humanity survive the next million years? How will continents reshape the planet? What cosmic disasters could strike Earth? How will the sun slowly destroy life? What will Earth look like 1 billion years from now? Let's begin. In just 10,000 years, humanity will face a strange but small problem. The decamillennium bug, similar to Y2K. Current calendar systems may not handle 5-digit years. Hopefully, by then, we'll be advanced enough not to panic. But biologically and culturally, things will be very different. Human genetic traits like skin and hair color will be evenly distributed across the globe. Current languages will completely transform. Only about 1% of today's vocabulary will survive. A new ice age cycle may begin. Even the length of a day will increase slightly due to tidal friction from the moon. Over the next million years, Earth will almost certainly face a 1 km wide asteroid impact, a massive supervolcanic eruption. A 1 kilometer asteroid could create a crater 400 kilometers wide, ignite global wildfires, and darken the sky. And then there are supervolcanoes like the ancient Lake Toba, whose eruption nearly wiped out humanity 70,000 years ago. Future eruptions could release thousands of cubic kilometers of ash, enough to block sunlight and trigger global cooling. Meanwhile, in space, the star Betelgeuse may explode as a supernova. If it does, it could shine brightly in Earth's sky, even during daytime. If we survive these threats, humanity may spread throughout the solar system. Colonies could exist on Mars, moons of Jupiter, artificial space habitats. If separated long enough, humans may evolve into new species, adapted to lower gravity, different atmospheres, or artificial environments. Earth may no longer be humanity's primary home. Earth's crust is constantly moving due to plate tectonics. In 10 to 50 million years, Eastern Africa will split apart, forming a new ocean. Africa will collide with Eurasia. The Mediterranean Sea will disappear. A new mountain range taller than Mount Everest may form. Over 250 million years, all continents will merge again into a supercontinent called Pangaea Ultima. But it won't last forever. After 400 to 500 million years, it will split again. Meanwhile, the Rocky Mountains will erode completely. The Hawaiian Islands will sink beneath the ocean. The moon will drift so far away that total solar eclipses will no longer occur. Earth could face a 10 km wide asteroid, similar to the one that caused the dinosaur extinction. A nearby gamma ray burst within 6,500 light years. A gamma ray burst could destroy the ozone layer, exposing life to lethal radiation. Space is beautiful, but is not safe. The biggest danger isn't an asteroid. It's our own sun.